got the other set right here of elevators here at IKEA here in Columbus, Ohio. These are humongous. Look how huge these things are. 10,000 pounds capacity. Holy crap. Beeper's really annoying. Here we got motor. Bang.
Ready it up?
We're gonna get off at one and film the other one.
Okay.
But yeah, it's funny. Look, it says Otis on the certificate. But look up at the doors, boy. This is Minnesota.
What does it say?
It says Minnesota on top of the doors. See, look. There's a little sticker tag thing. It says Minnesota.
Do you believe that?
I can't believe that. It's just weird. But here is the other one right here. There. You see that on separate controllers?
Why is there two here? So many people.
They're on separate controllers. It's huge. Let's go up to 2. Motor. Bang. The clip button works, which is kind of odd. Very nice and spacious elevator. Stand in that corner. Show people how huge this thing is. That is how huge this thing
It's
is.
a huge elevator.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I thought this was over. Huh?
That's on 2.
Oh.
Where 1. We're up to 2 in inventory there. Jeez. Yeah, look. Yeah, look how huge these things are. Like, literally.
That's not a good one.
Yeah. And I guess that's it.